Hi, welcome to Master Plumber Reviewer. The coverage of this video is about plumbing code, which is 10% on actual board exam. It is also based on the revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, or the RA 1378. Hope you enjoy. Review conveniently.
Number 51. Where there is exposure to skin contamination with poisonous, infectious, or irritating materials, provide one lavatory for A. Each 3 persons. B. Each 4 persons. C. Each 5 persons. D. Each 6 persons. The answer. It's C. Each 5 persons. Number 52. Any joint or seam obtained by the joining of metal parts in a plastic molten state. A. Welded joint. B. Seam. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. Both A and B. Number 53. Joints in copper pans or liners shall be blank. A. Soldered. B. Brazed. C. Either A or B. D. Neither. The answer. It's C. Either A or B. Number 54. All whirlpool bathtubs shall comply with the following requirements, except A. A removable panel of sufficient dimension shall be provided for access to the pump. B. The circulation pump shall be located below the crown weir of the trap. C. The pump and the circulation piping shall be self-draining to minimize water retention. D. Suction fittings on whirlpool bathtubs shall comply with the listed standards. The answer. It's B. The circulation pump shall be located below the crown weir of the trap. Number 55. A baffle type fitting shall have the equivalent cross-sectional area of the connecting sewer pipe and not less than a blank horizontal dimension when measured at the inlet and outlet pipe inverts. A. 101.6 mm. B. 102.6 mm. C. 104.6 mm. D. 106.6 mm. The answer. It's D. 106.6 mm. Number 56. Horizontally installed piping must be supported at sufficiently close intervals to blank. A. Carry the weight of the pipe. B. Carry the weight of the pipe and its content. C. Prevent strains or stresses. D. Prevent sagging. The answer. It's D. Prevent sagging. Number 57. All piping installed in corrosive type material shall be blank. A. First approved by the plumbing official. B. Supported properly. C. Protected properly. D. In accordance with manufacturer's recommendations. The answer. It's C. Protected properly. Number 58. A trap depending on movable parts to retain its seal may blank. A. Be used for fixtures with clear water waste only. B. Not be used under any circumstances. C. Be used if first approved by plumbing official. D. Be used when approved by ASME standards. The answer. It's B. Not be used under any circumstances. Number 59. What do you call to the combination of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen? A. Ice. B. Water. C. Liquid. D. Fluid. The answer. It's B. Water. Number 60. What is the maximum distance allowed for the trap of the floor drain to be placed below the finished floor line to facilitate cleaning in case of line trouble? A. 300 mm. B. 400 mm. C. 500 mm. D. 600 mm. The answer. It's D. 600 mm. Number 61. Equipment which includes all valves and controls used in the plumbing system which are required to be accessible or readily accessible. A. Machine. B. Controls. C. Regulating equipment. D. Pipes. The answer. It's C. Regulating equipment. Number 60. What is the maximum distance allowed for the trap of the floor drain to be placed below the finished floor line to facilitate cleaning in case of line trouble? A. 300 mm. B. 400 mm. C. 500 mm. D. 600 mm. The answer. It's D. 600 mm. Number 63. The size of a trap arm may change direction without the use of a cleanout when such direction does not exceed 90 degrees. A. Less than 76 mm diameter. B. Larger than 76 mm diameter. C. Less than 102 mm diameter. D. Larger than 76 mm diameter. The answer. It's A. Less than 76 mm diameter. Number 64. Cleanouts on the seal of a trap are prohibited on blank. A. Residential lavatory traps. B. Commercial sink traps. C. Stall shower traps. D. Barber shop sink traps. The answer. It's C. Stall shower traps. Number 65. Any part of a piping system that extends horizontally at an approved grade, with or without vertical extensions from the main to plumbing fixtures. A. Lateral. B. Continuous pipe. C. Branch drain. D. Branch. The answer. It's D. Branch. Number 66. Any part of a drainage system that extends horizontally at a slope from a soil or waste stack, with or without lateral or vertical extensions, on two or more floors. A. Horizontal branch. B. Horizontal pipe. C. Fixture drain. D. Combination fixture drain. The answer. It's A. Horizontal branch. Number 67. Satisfactory hanger which supports any piping must be A. Of same material as piping. B. Accessible. C. Same size as pipe used. D. Of sufficient strength. The answer. It's D. Of sufficient strength. Number 68. When floor drainage is required for a cold storage room used for storing or holding food or drink, the drain must be connected to the sanitary drainage system through A. Direct waste. B. Floor drain with strainer. C. Trap with trap primer. D. Indirect waste. The answer. It's D. Indirect waste. Number 69. Who shall appoint the Board of Examiners for Master Plumber? A. Commissioner of Civil Service. B. PRC Commissioner. C. President of the Philippines. D. BOMP. The answer. It's C. President of the Philippines. Number 70. When provided with water outlets for such space, a 610 mm width of wash sink or 457 mm diameter of a circular basin, shall be blank. A. Considered equivalent to one lavatory. B. Considered equivalent to one water closet. C. Considered equivalent to one kitchen sink. D. Considered equivalent to one floor drain. The answer. It's A. Considered equivalent to one lavatory. Number 71. A comprehensive term, including all constructions for collection, transportation, pumping, treatment and final disposition of sewage. A. Plumbing system. B. Sewerage system. C. Sewerage or sewerage works. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. Sewerage or sewerage works. Number 72. Blank is a device designed and installed to separate and retain deleterious, hazardous, or undesirable matters from normal wastes and permits normal sewage or liquid wastes to discharge into the disposal terminal by gravity. A. Interceptor. B. Clarifier. C. Both A and B. D. Grease trap. The answer. It's C. Both A and B. Number 73. Blank for sacrarium cup sink at church altar and baptistry's font outlet shall discharge direct to the ground and not connected to the sanitary drainage system. A. Water drain. B. Waste. C. Wastewater drain. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. Wastewater drain. Number 74. What is the minimum thickness of copper pans or liners? A. Gauge number 24, B&S or 0.5 mm thick. B. Gauge number 20, B&S or 0.8 mm thick. C. Gauge number 16, USB&S or 1.6 mm thick. D. None of the above. The answer. It's A. Gauge number 24 B&S or 0.5 mm thick. Number 75. What is the length of the pipe that should be added on the top of the highest fixture level to eliminate water hammer? A. 150 mm. B. 200 mm. C. 800 mm. D. 300 mm. The answer. It's D. 300 mm. Number 76. The cover of the septic tank shall be at least blank above the back vent openings. A. 304.8 mm. B. 50.8 mm. C. 228.6 mm. D. 106.6 mm. The answer. It's B. 50.8 mm. Number 77. The vertical distance from the grade line to the highest point of the coping of a flat roof or to the top line of a mansard roof or to the average height of the highest gable of a pitch or hip roof. A. Branch interval. B. Height of building. C. Story. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. Height of building. Number 78. It refers to the pressure range measured over a period of 24 hours. A. Static pressure. B. Back pressure. C. Normal pressure. D. High pressure. The answer. It's C. Normal pressure. Number 79. A water closet consisting of a continuous trough containing water. The trough extends under two or more adjacent seats. Prohibited by health authorities for permanent installations. A. Trough. B. Washdown. C. Latrine. D. Pail flush. The answer. It's C. Latrine. Number 80. What is the maximum interval of vertical supports for lead piping? A. 3 meters. B. 1.2 meters. C. 4 meters. D. 1 meter. The answer. It's B. 1.2 meters. Number 81. What is the water demand for shower head? A. 7.5 gallon per minute. B. 2.5 gallon per minute. C. 12 gallon per minute. D. 15 gallon per minute. The answer. It's B. 2.5 gallon per minute. Number 82. The lead shall be caulked thoroughly at the inside and outside edges of the joint. After caulking, the finished joint shall not extend more than blank below the rim of the hub. A. 25 mm. B. 19 mm. C. 3.2 mm. D. 6.4 mm. The answer. It's C. 3.2 mm. Number 83. In addition to the required incised marking, all hard-drawn copper tubing shall be marked by means of a continuous and indelibly colored stripe at least blank in width. A. 1.8 mm. B. 1.6 mm. C. 3.2 mm. D. 6.4 mm. The answer. It's D. 6.4 mm. Number 84. The minimum wall thickness of a steel septic tank that can be protected from corrosion internally and externally is A. Gauge 12. B. Gauge 14. C. Gauge 16. D. Gauge 26. The answer. It's A. Gauge 12. Number 85. What is the standard slope of the building drain? A. 4%. B. 2%. C. 1%. D. 0.5%. The answer. It's B. 2%. Number 86. Rainwater piping located on the exterior of a building using galvanized sheet metal shall not be less than blank. A. Gauge 26. B. Gauge 24. C. Gauge 28. D. Gauge 30. The answer. It's A. Gauge 26. Number 87. Two walls opposite of differing heights, add blank of wall area above top of lower wall to the roof area. A. 35%. B. 50%. C. No additional area. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. 50%. Number 88. A valve opened and closed by the fall and rise, respectively, of an attached ball floating on the surface of the liquid. A. Ball joint. B. Ball cock. C. Corp stop. D. Curb stop. The answer. It's B. Ball cock. Number 89. A flush-o-meter valve is a device used to A. Flush the contents from a toilet bowl. B. Discharge a predetermined quantity of water. C. Automatically reseal floor drains. D. Flush all surfaces of a floor-mounted urinal. The answer. It's B. Discharge a predetermined quantity of water. Number 90. The maximum height above the trap for a clothes washer standpipe receptor is A. 0.45 meter, B. 0.60 meter, C. 0.75 meter, D. 0.80 meter. The answer. It's D. 0.80 meter. Number 91. Expansion joints shall be acceptable in piping, except A. Vents, B. Hot water, C. Steam, D. Cold water. The answer. It's A. Vents. Number 92. A metallic sleeve, cocked or joined to opening in a pipe, into which a plug is screwed that can be removed for cleaning or examining the interior of the pipe. A. Flange, B. Ferrule, C. Threaded pipe, D. Cast pipe. The answer. It's B. Ferrule. Number 93. The pipe or tubing that connects the outlet of a plumbing fixture to the trap. A. Trap, B. Trap arm, C. Tailpiece, D. Outlet. The answer. It's C. Tailpiece. Number 94. It refers to the resistance delivered by streaming water with fittings and inside surface of the pipe. A. Force, B. Friction, C. Pressure, D. Velocity. The answer. It's B. Friction. Number 95. To receive the discharge from aeration, what is installed at the bottom portion of the soil stack where the house drain is connected? A. Aerator, B. Deaerator, C. Solvent system, D. Ventilation. The answer. It's B. Deaerator. Number 96. It is a piece of a framework that expels sewage and grey water from a building and controls pneumatic stress in the waste framework channels to help free stream. A. Sanitary sewer system, B. Storm sewer, C. DWV system, D. Vent system. The answer. It's C. DWV system. Number 97. All sections of a plumbing drainage and vent system must be tested with A. Water, B. Any liquid, C. Air or water, D. Air. The answer. It's C. Air or water. Number 98. The requirements for installation of grease interceptors exclude A. Fast food restaurants, B. Apartment buildings with up to 100 dwelling units, C. Hospitals, D. Hotels. The answer. It's B. Apartment buildings with up to 100 dwelling units. Number 99. The 22 basic principles of master plumbing is enumerated in what section of RA 1378? A. Section 2, B. Section 5, C. Section 12, D. Section 13. The answer. It's B. Section 5. Number 100. To ensure effectiveness, the wastes entering the grease interceptor must not exceed the manufacturer's rated capacity. For this reason, a blank must be installed. A. Clarifier, B. Balancing valve, C. Swing check valve, D. Flow control. The answer. It's D. Flow control.
Good job, you're all done with part 2. Hope you enjoy and learn something. Please follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, future master plumbers.